Hello gorgeous people. Today we are going to learn how to utilize FlashFill or TEXTJOIN in combining data that is in a row. For example, I have those fictional names. The first name, middle name, surname, date of birth, contact number. Then I want to combine the first name, middle name and surname in a column utilizing FlashFill or TEXTJOIN. Let's dig in and show you how to do it. So I'm using a Microsoft Excel 365. Go to this, there's a cross sign here if I want to insert, okay? Insert another column between the C and D. So I want to insert a column. This is it. So this is how I want my name to be written. Double click to be inside the cell. Chioma, Pamela, Daisy. Remember, if yours is not fitting, because mine is set automatically, that is why the name fits in the spreadsheet. If it does not fit in, you can double click in between and it will fit in automatically. So this is how I want the names to be written in column D. So to do, sometimes you have a very long list, okay? So to do it, instead of typing it one after the other, to utilize FlashFill, what you have to do is to click on any of the row on that column D, okay? Then go to data. This is data. Then go to FlashFill. Go to the data tools here, okay, to see your FlashFill. This is FlashFill. Click on it. Don't worry, it's connecting. As you can see, automatically it has filled those other ones in. Look at the D3. We have Success Ella Williams, okay? The ABC of the A3, B3 and C3, they are all in D3, okay? So this is how to utilize the FlashFill. So let me show you how to. Then I can, before you finished on your FlashFill, you should endeavor that all names are correct. Like, yeah, it will be correct most times, but look at the where we're supposed to put our heading. Like it is stating the first name, middle name and surname. So just double click there and make the correction, okay? Contribute for board name. So that is it. To utilize TEXTJOIN, we have to create a formula. So I'll go into the cell here, cell deal 2, and create the formula. Remember, when you want to create any formula, always insert equals. So equals TEXTJOIN. Left parenthesis. I want a space in between the names. So we have space 1, space 2. And to create that space, you put your quotation mark. Then a comma. If you want to set it on the default, for you to ignore empty cells or empty columns, then you add another comma, okay? Then you add what you want to combine. At the moment, I want to combine the A2, comma, B2, comma, and C2. Okay, you can add your right parentheses, but it's not necessary. If you want to add, you add. Let me just add mine, and then you click enter. Then you click enter. Okay, mine is not fitting, so you can click and drag so it will fit in, or you double click, then it will fit in automatically. Have you seen that? So let me give it a name. I just want it to be name here. So you see the TEXTJOIN formula is inserted inside here, and which created the name Chioma Pamela Odaisy, combining A2, B2 and C2. Why we did it this way using this comma is maybe you want to combine A2 then E2, you know, F2, so you can just separate them by utilizing comma. If you don't want to do that, you can, if they are together just like this one ABC, you can just, let me erase this, you can just click and drag, or you type A2 through C2. Okay, can you see that? Click and drag, then you click enter. Sit. This is it. Then if yours doesn't, if it has not inserted the other names completely, all you have to do is to click on those green dots here. There's a cross sign, just click on it and drag. You see, and it will fill in the other names just like this one here. Okay, so now that we've done this, we don't really need this one any longer. We'll have to delete it. But before deleting, we'll have to remove this formula here, because if we delete immediately, it will cause a problem here, because we utilize this data to get the information here. So we have to change this into values. When you copy, then you go to paste, go to paste and click on paste values only. Okay, paste values only. Then as you can see now, when we click on Chioma Pamela Odaisy, it will be written Chioma Pamela Odaisy. The formula is no longer there. Now that we have done this, we can now delete this column ABC. Voila, it's out, and this is just how we want our table to look like. Thank you.